Alright, I'm putting out new videos and new techniques and new equipment that I'm making, so I need you to help. Alright, what's going on, people? You guys are watching, but you're not hitting that thumbs up, like button. You're not even commenting, but you're watching. What's going on? It's a two-way street here. Alright, people, hello. This is Jay from the Blue Garden. Now I'm here to making new technology. This is what I call my root stick. This is to get down to the root system of any tree and to put in some medicine in there, which it would be the worm tea or compost tea or even mycorrhizans, what I'm going to use this for. And this is to cure the leaves. A lot of people were complaining on the Facebook chat groups that when you get a rust fungal in your leaves, how do you fix it? Well, I'm going to demonstrate here how to fix it, and this is my root stick. Okay, pounded in my root stick. So I used a piece of wood and a hammer to pound it in. So now we have to put our mycorrhizin in here, and we'll go down to the root system. Because if you get the mycorrhizin and you just sprinkle it on top, the roots are not here. The roots are way down the ground. So you just see how much I pounded it in there, about 2 feet. And we put our mycorrhizin in there. And then we'll use the other one, or we could use the same one, and we could put our compost tea in here and just let it seep down into the root system. This will help our tree get rid of all these rust spots, which are fungal. Please hit that thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for notification of the progress of the root stick in this series of videos. Welcome to the Blue Garden. I want to show you these leaves here. It's a fungal disease. It does not affect the fruit. The fruit is fine. You see that? See all the fruit up there. But the leaves are the photosynthesis of the tree. It's what brings the nutrition to the tree. So we're going to help this tree by going down to the root system and putting some mycorrhizin in there. So how do you get to the root system? Simple. You create one of these. Now, here's a tip down there. Put this into the ground. Put the mycorrhizin in there. So, but then you can't stop there. You have to put some coolant.